Instapage is an online landing page builder that offers users the ability to create beautiful, high-converting pages with minimal effort. Upon landing on the website, you'll notice the clean, intuitive interface designed to streamline the page creation process. The homepage introduces you to Instapage's main features, including customizable templates, A/B testing, and the ability to track your page's performance in real time. Setting up an account is quick, and you'll have immediate access to the drag-and-drop builder to start creating your first page. One of the key features of Instapage is the variety of templates available, which cater to different industries and use cases. You can find templates for lead generation, sales, event registration, and more. These templates are fully customizable, meaning you can tweak everything from the layout to the color scheme to match your brand style. Navigating the drag-and-drop builder is intuitive, and it's designed so even beginners can use it without a steep learning curve. You can add elements such as text, images, buttons, and forms with just a few clicks. Plus, Instapage integrates with popular email marketing and CRM tools, which allows you to easily connect your landing page to your marketing campaigns. Another standout feature of Instapage is its A/B testing capabilities. This allows you to test different versions of your landing page to see which one performs better. The platform provides detailed analytics, so you can make data-driven decisions to optimize your pages. The real-time stats also give you insight into how your landing pages are performing and help you improve conversion rates. Instapage offers several integrations, making it a great choice for users already using other tools in their marketing stack. Whether you're using Salesforce, MailChimp, or Zapier, you can easily connect your landing pages with these platforms to streamline your workflow. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that will help you make the most out of your landing page campaigns. These resources are not related to Instapage, but can offer additional value to your overall digital marketing efforts. Overall, Instapage is a powerful and user-friendly tool for anyone looking to create high-converting landing pages quickly. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting out, Instapage provides the tools and features you need to create professional landing pages without the hassle. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials on the latest marketing tools. Thanks for watching.